Here it is. This is the TerraMaster D6-320 external hard drive housing. I have another hard drive housing from a major name, and the fan makes so much noise I had to update it, and I saw this, had great reviews, and I thought I would try it out. I've been using it for about a month now, and I've had no issues, and it is so quiet. Definitely this from me. I'll show you some images of what it looks like set up. This includes USB 3.2 Gen 2, so you're going to get some great speeds from this. You can put drives into it up to 10 gigabytes, and they are hot swappable. Obviously, whether you have a conventional drive or SSD is going to control the speed in a big way. There's even a big difference between drives themselves, right? It includes an intelligent temperature system, which is key to the survival of your hard drives, right? That's the first thing that's going to kill your hard drives. Overall, it was plug and play, super easy for me to use. Really liked it a lot. I do have one minor complaint, which is the housing in particular looks very generic, right? Like, because it's supposed to be sitting on your desk or standing out, kind of looks like it would have been happier in a computer somewhere. But I guess you can't have everything. The key thing is it's really working great with my hard drives, a major improvement on what I had. I think the only thing I could say is I would highly recommend it. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.